Hello, this is Princess Reaper, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make a ice cream sundae heel. So I saw this on the internet to make a ice cream sundae heel, and I'm going to try it out on the other shoe because I finished the first one just to test it out. It worked pretty well. So let's do this. For materials, you'll need a shoe, some acrylic paints. I'm using these colors for doing a traditional ice cream sundae, but you can use any colors you would like. You need some brushes, Mod Podge, some glitter or sprinkles, some glue, paper towel, and fake cherry. You can get those at Hobby Lobby or Amazon. And that's about it. So first, what you want to do is paint the cone onto the bottom part of the shoe. This will take up to 3 layers to complete with the paint. I went with the light brown first to make it a little easier on myself. So I added 3 layers, and now I'm going to add this stripe pattern onto the shoe. So you want to be careful when you're adding the stripe pattern because if you don't do it straight enough, it might look a little weird. I had to redo it a couple times before I got this final shot done. And it takes a while, to make sure your hand is steady and not shaky, and making sure the pattern looks right and this and that. So for the next step, you need to make some puffy paint if you would like. It adds a little more texture. I mixed some up already. It only really needs is acrylic paint and some glue and water to make it. It really looks like marshmallow fluff. When you paint it on also, it kind of has like a little bit of a stickier feel than paint does, but it brushes on very well. This is the homemade puffy paint I did. So I'm assuming you can also do, like, if you just want to buy some puffy paint, that would probably work as well, or just doing regular white paint. But it helps with the thickness of adding less layers to it. I think I did like about 2 layers for this one. 2 or 3 layers, I should say. The next step is adding the chocolate syrup on the shoe. I just used brown acrylic paint for that. I made it look a little drippy and stuff to kind of look like the ice cream is melting and stuff like that. So what you want to do now is add the fake frosting on it, which is plaster Paris with paint in it and some water, depending on how runny you want the frosting to look. And then I added the cherry on top for the effect. And I think it looks really good here. And next step is to add the sprinkles. So what you need is putting some glue. I use clear Elmer's glue. And you want to put it on your palette and so that the sprinkles and stuff will stick to the shoe, because what you want to do is paint it on. So right now I'm using some glitter that I found, and I'm going to also be using real sprinkles as well. So here's what the finished product should look like. It should look like a nice little ice cream sundae shoe. And I think I did a pretty good job with this one. I really like how it turned out. Looks very nice and clean. I think it looks a lot better than my other shoe that I made. So I have some bad news. The dog decided to eat my frosting and stuff on my shoe, and it wasn't dried. So I had to redo it, and it turned out a little worse for wear, but you know, accidents happen. The dog gets after your shoe and decides to eat it for whatever reason. But yeah, that's how it turned out after the fact. I'm a little disappointed because of that, but there's nothing much I could do about it. But yeah. So here's me modeling my shoes. The shoe size is a little bigger than my normal foot size because I want to sell these. They are a size 8 and I am a 7, so that's why it's a little big. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.